description.
That money clip us now, the new now looks like, whoa. Upgrade her diamonds, now her girlfriends are like, whoa.
All right, hey, this is Hans. It's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today, I got something. I actually sent away for this in the mail. I got it from a company called, I think it was Yummy Buy. This is Samyang Sweet Buldak, and I really have no idea what to expect from this. It's got pictures of candy all over it. It does say it's chicken flavor, so yeah, that's what we're doing today. We're gonna do it in the microwave. Ooh. One sachet though. Oh. We will find out what there is to find out. And we're just gonna run water to the line and do 4.5 minutes at 1,000 watts. Find that line I see in there. I think we're good. Yeah, I want this to come out just right because this did cost me $10 to get it sent here. I think it did. $8? $10? Stupid expensive, but I really wanted to try it, and although it's made for the US market, it's scarce. At least at this point. So yeah, there we go. And this one will be getting a mukbang, so I guess I better make a beverage. I generally have something to drink before I swill down a bunch of noodles. But I'm gonna make it look all nice and pretty for the show. You know. Yeah. If anybody wants to donate like a large house nearby. I don't know. This apartment, I swear. We need more room. Everything falls off of everything. It's not like we're hoarders or anything, but it's just the way it's set up for putting things in places and doing stuff. I don't know. Not really wonderfully designed. But yeah. So, yeah. Buldak mukbang. I haven't done a mukbang in a little while. The idea of like swilling down a whole bunch of noodles really fast doesn't sound all that appealing this morning. But once again, I give you what you want. I've got another one I've got to do for New Year's Day. I'm doing the taco on New Year's Day. I've got the review all done. I'm just gonna like make it up and then like swill it down and talk about it. But yeah. Let me just say, I'd say get it if you like taco things. It's taco-y. There we go. But yeah, I've been working with this. I got this the other day. This is a new lens for the camera I've been using over here. And I really don't think it's gonna work out. But it's a really nice lens. It's a 50 millimeter, and it takes great shots of people, but the distance you have to be away from something, it's like for me to take a shot of noodles over where I usually take them, I would have to put my camera, hold it like this. And that's like, no, not super cool. But I'm going to give it a shot. We'll see what happens. I think doing that, though, is going to really, really annoy me. So, and I don't want to be annoyed. But the pictures are really nice and crisp. But I took the advice of this one guy who just kept saying over and over and over, get rid of that kit lens that you're using. And the kit lens is this one. This is like, they call it a kit lens because like the camera that I use for taking pictures of like the packs and the packets and all that stuff over on www.theramenraider.com, I use an exact same lens as this on my Nikon DSLR, which is on a stand pointing straight down. It's an 1855 millimeter, and it works great for that. It's just the right height, and maybe this is the best lens for what I do. It's very possible. I just feel like there's got to be something better. There's got to be a better way. But maybe I'm trying to invent a wheel that doesn't need inventing. I don't know. Either way, the noodles are done. Do we let it sit for a minute? I don't think we do. I think we just like stir in the stuff. No, we just stirred in. We are done. Here we go. I think it'll be interesting to see what it smells like. So we have a cooked noodle. And we're gonna stir it in. Like I said, I'm gonna do a mukbang of this, so I'm not gonna be tasting it right now. You'll have to wait for the episode of Spicy Noodle Mukbang, the professional mukbang show where I don't jump around and act like a complete idiot like so many people on YouTube do. I'm sorry for the idiots who get like 20 million views and do all that stuff. I don't care. I know it's fascinating, but I'm just not that guy. But I'll tell you what, if you see me jumping around after I eat something that says it's spicy, I can tell you that you can know that it is rather spicy. I come out with an annual top 10 spicy list. I've had stuff that you may have heard of 3X Buldak if you're watching this. And if so, I can tell you I've had two varieties that make that seem like cotton candy. Like really, like for babies. Like you could feed it to a baby. Ha ha ha. I will say though that stuff that I've had that dwarfs 3X in heat is not an enjoyable experience by any way, shape, or form. A lot of gut pain afterwards involved. I don't have the problem with like after I eat spicy food, like I sit on the toilet or anything like that. I think I'm really lucky in that respect. I mean, you know, if I need to use the bathroom, I use the bathroom. But I don't stand on the toilet. Anyways, I really want to try this. I will, though. I'm a little miffed. That doesn't smell sweet. What's funny about it is I really try not to look at anybody else's thoughts on things before I do reviews. And I kept it muted so I didn't hear what this guy was saying about it. But I will say that I saw one And indeed, it only had one sachet. And I really expected this to have multiple sachets. I mean, there's pictures of candy all over it, right? So I figured that it would be like, I don't know, sprinkles. And also, so here's what it looks like prepared. But yeah, look at this. See on the picture of the bowl? What is that? Why is that there? I don't know. But it certainly is there. So it may be really sweet, but it didn't smell like it. I guess we'll find out. And yes, I'm adding stuff to one that I'm going to do a mukbang of. If you can't handle that, I apologize, but when I do the mukbang, I generally concentrate just on the noodles, so. Ag. So this will be really a good test of that lens because you've got multiple layers and textures and all that going on. That egg does not look super happy. It's like, what am I doing here? I don't know where to go. But yeah, truly a good test of that lens, I think. So yeah, watch it rotate. If you like things that rotate, here you go. Alright, well thanks for watching. This is getting smacked right in the middle of doing other episodes because I wanted this to come out around the time when I got it. It's currently August 23rd, 2025 today. I'm guessing it'll come out on the 24th or 25th, something like that. But yeah, sweet Buldak coming your way in about a half an hour if you're watching this the day I publish this. So, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.